Hey, awesome people! Today, I've got something truly remarkable to share with you. If you're passionate about 3D design and you're looking to supercharge your creative process, you're in the right place. Imagine being able to bring your 3D concepts to life in just a few clicks without having to worry about the nitty-gritty details. Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Let me introduce you to an absolute game changer, and it's called Simply Concept. But first, let me take you on a little journey. Back when I started using Blender, creating 3D concepts was a bit of a challenge. The process was time-consuming, and sometimes it felt like I was getting bogged down by the technical aspects. It's a common struggle in the world of 3D design, and if you've been there, you know what I'm talking about. Fast forward to today, and I'm absolutely blown away by how far Blender has come. With Simply Concept, the process has been streamlined like never before, and I can't wait to show you how it can revolutionize your workflow. Alright, let's dive right in and see how Simply Concept works. This add-on lets you quickly and effortlessly create 3D concepts. It offers a range of primitive objects to choose from, and you can even integrate your own 3D models seamlessly. But here's the real magic. Complex shapes merge in real time, and you can see the shading of intersecting parts as you design. This makes the whole process a breeze. What's even better is that you have the flexibility to change any primitive at any time, so you can iterate and refine your concept to perfection. And the best part? You won't have to worry about topology, because Simply Concept automatically remeshes your concept mesh, making it ideal for further modifications, retopology, or sculpting. To put it simply, you go from having to set up a complicated scene with geometry nodes and modifiers, to creating a 3D concept with just one click. That's a game changer for beginners and professionals alike. But don't just take my word for it. Simply Concept has received rave reviews from the Blender community. It's been recommended by experienced users like Chip Walters, and it's already gained over 900 sales and 15 customer ratings. It's proven, it's trusted, and it's transforming the way we work with Blender. So, there you have it, folks. Simply Concept, the add-on that's changing the game for 3D designers. Whether you're new to Blender or a seasoned pro, this is a must-have tool to have in your arsenal. If you're ready to revolutionize your 3D design workflow, I've left a link to Simply Concept in the description below. Check it out and start creating amazing 3D concepts with ease. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, share it with your fellow Blender enthusiasts, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting Blender-related content. This is just the beginning of an incredible journey, and I can't wait to share more with you in the future. Until then, keep creating, keep learning, and stay awesome.